Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a Samsung S20 Plus and LCD's touch is not working. You can see it's cracked from here on the corner. That's why the all LCD is not working, no touch not working. Today I will show you how you can replace the whole LCD. I have new LCD, original one. Is coming with mostly all speaker and power buttons and volume buttons as well, and many things there, and the front camera as well. I will show you how you can replace quickly in few minutes. Keep watching, okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First I will remove the back. Start from here, little bit up from here. After then I will use my thin opener and slowly move all the edges. First I gave the heat from all over the edges with heat gun, or you can use the hair dryer. Now your work will be easy. Yeah, that's it. Now it's done. Now I will open all screws from here, and first I will remove the SIM tray. Don't forget to remove SIM tray, give you stress as well. Oh, yes, now I'm opening all screws from here, here, and from the back as well. Now all screws I removed, and after then take this, and here have one connector. First disconnect, after disconnect, now it's easily can come out. After carefully separate this, and after then disconnect battery. Power button, LCD, charging cable, this, just keep in mind when you need to put it back, arrow sign is on the top and this on the left here. Now we will do separate these strips. Remove this plastic thing, disconnect camera, front camera, and after then separate motherboard from the phone. And this here have 3 screws. We need to remove these screws as well. Now remove the motherboard, sorry, charging little board. You can call as motherboard as well, is main board. Then separate this The speaker, this buzzer is don't have in there. We will transfer from here to there. Already have a this and front camera. We don't need to move from old into the new. Carefully. Yes, it's done. Now we'll remove the battery. For battery we will remove with this plastic thing, or you can use, just start from here. It then will be easy, because this battery is not similar than some another Samsung. They have a too much sticky tape. They have a, yeah, the battery is removed. And now we will put all to the new LCD. And now I will put it the motherboard in the LCD carefully. Yeah, motherboard is done. Connect the front camera. This camera is done. And the power flex, power button, volume button flex, connect this one. And now I will put it the charging port. Carefully. Yeah, now it's done. I put the back 3 screws. These 3 screws is done. Now I'll put it back the battery. Now I put it double tape. I take out from the old LCD. Now put it back the battery on the right place carefully, and little bit press from here. After then connect LCD and strip for charging. Don't forget the arrow key sign is on the top. Come on the top side. Connect and press. Now it's done. Now I will connect battery. First I will check is phone is turned on. Yeah, phone is going to turn on. Yeah, phone is turned on and working fine. Now I will put it back, all things. First I need to turn off back the phone. Now I will put it back. All. I put it back all things as it is. I opened. Need to connect this connector. Is connected carefully. This is put it back. Now I will put it back all the screws. I'm putting back screws all. Till then you subscribe my channel. for the next video. Yes, the all screws is done, just the last one is left. After put it back all screws, the back cover I removed very carefully. The old sticky tape is all still is there. I will put it back same like this as well, and after then give little bit heat and press from all edges and give little bit heat, and after then he will hold the phone nicely. Phone is done, all is working fine. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.